Good Friday morning. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Blah, blah, blah. All that other crap. Yeah, we got a cloudy day. Had some rain last night. Yesterday afternoon. It's about 49 degrees. Windy. But I'm out here with a t-shirt on. So yesterday, I cleaned the whole van out. Took the board out. Got all the crud from the step there. Cleaned the thing out for the door, and my neighbor had some self-tappers, so we just screwed that in, so that's done. Got some of these wires out of the way so they're not hanging over here, so got that done. So it looks nice and clean in there now. Which I didn't really want any obstacles in my way, so I could slide water tanks in there. Monday, and I acquired this little kitty-sized water tank yesterday, so I pulled the pop off and the gas valve off of that. So that's ready to go. Got all this stuff out of the yard. I'm surprised that door didn't get blown off. All this stuff that was over there, put that over here. Got my 2 white barrels in the next yard over there. Right there. That was full of wood. So got that over there for him. So got that done. Got all my cans lined up here. It was a little busy yesterday. What else we got going on here? So yeah, a little breezy today. Then I put got this all cleaned up. I put well, this light's gonna be bright enough. Yeah, maybe. So I put some boards down there because that's dirt. So when you let those sit for a while, the mud will cake up underneath the totes. So they're sitting on the wood. So put my mid-grade in here, my tablets in here. So I have a little bit more room to work. Roof leaking? I don't know. See a little wet spot there. Still haven't made my mind up on this thing yet. I'll figure that out by Tuesday when trash day is, or Wednesday. Good morning, Riley. Good morning, Riley. What? What else tell you? Oh, I cleaned all this up. And if you notice, what used to be there is now in here. So I got all those moved. Swept this all up. Cleaned up a little bit. So I still have to clean those finger cards. That tote can actually get put in the shed. Well, I gotta put it where it belongs in the different totes. That bucket there can go in the shred. That's gold connectors. These I just have to clean up, and those can go in the MLC pile. This thing here is all stainless. I'm gonna finish taking these little plugs off. That's it. I started taking that apart on my last live stream, and I had to take all these screws out, so I said to hell with it. So I played with that for a little bit. What else did I do? Oh, and I took all those returnables in. Kind of scammed the system. Didn't even feel bad. Like I said, they allowed $25 per day. So I cashed in at 25. My buddy cashed in at 25. I bought $50 worth of stuff and used $50 on that. So after I went to the self-checkout. So after that totaled out, I still had a few to do, so I just started running tickets through the scanner, and it was, adding them up. And I just happened to look because I was in self-checkout. They were starting to get a little line, and they were busy. So I still had about $25 worth of tickets I had to go cash in. So then I cashed out like another $40. So I ended up with $50 worth of groceries and 140 cash. And like I said, I still have 25 or 30 left to go scan. So that was pretty good. So I thank my neighbor for that. Wannabe Scrapper, I bought Earl some food, so you can shut up now. Shouldn't have bought him nothing. So what I'm going to do today is finish cleaning up this bench, and I want to more than likely get these out of here. So I'll break all these down, get a load of shred in for next week. I still have to check the weather for, I know Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday it's supposed to be in the 50s here, so maybe we're finally turning on the temperatures, staying where they're supposed to be. We're supposed to be like around 40, I don't know, mid to high 40s. So after today we should be good for a little bit, which will get me more motivated to come out here. I mean, it's, like I said, it's 49. Yeah, it's 49. But with the wind, it's a little chilly. But like I said, I'm out here with a freaking t-shirt on. I would probably go and put my hoodie on though, because it is a little bit chilly. I posted a thing on Facebook. They do that, reminder of stuff. So I don't know how many years ago it was when I used to sell neodymium magnets like those on eBay. I used to get like $1 a piece for them. And that was kind of interesting that popped up, but I don't do that no more because that market dried up. It dried up fast. And I was supposed to meet up with my daughter today, but she texted me and said she is not feeling well. So I asked her what kind of sick she was, and I didn't get an answer. So I don't know. She gets like bad allergies and stuff, so it could be that. I'm sure she'll be fine. If not, I'll help her out. Why not? There we go. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna take all these tools, put them back in. I gotta go through this thing because I don't use all those tools in there. A lot of stuff accumulates. Or I was just gonna sit here like a big idiot and get my little block out and just sit here and crack all these out today. I got a crap load of those. It's a couple pounds of copper there. So I don't really feel like doing a lot, but gotta do a little bit every day, I guess. I don't know. I've been doing the fruit smoothies thanks to my neighbor, and been eating a lot better. So I do have a little bit more energy, and I have been getting a little more sleep. So that's a good thing. But other than that, I guess that's about it. I'm just going to try to knock some of this stuff out this weekend and look at the weather for the week. I think Monday was supposed to be, I don't know, maybe half decent, but I think I'm going to maybe wait till Tuesday. We'll see. I have to double check the weather. When it's nice and sunny and no wind and no cold to do those water tanks. I know tomorrow we're supposed to have cold and snow and like single-digit wind chills, and so I'll probably work out here today and sit my sorry ass in the house tomorrow because it's too cold when it's like that. I got my little heater here, but I think I got maybe a quarter tank of propane left. Something like that. There ain't much in there, yeah. Not much in there. And I want to take the oil plug out of those compressors and drain the oil out of those. That red one has fuel in it. Dump that out and get those ready to get broken down. I say that black one, I don't know why that thing is so heavy, but that thing is a beast. It's a beast. So, I guess that's it, guys. But I got a lot done yesterday. And I was actually in the house at like 4 o'clock. I quit at like 4 o'clock. So, I got a lot done in a little bit of time. And this weekend I'm going to get these packaged up and see what I got there to send down. I don't think it's going to be very much. There's a couple good ones there if they test good. And I don't know if there's any I-Series in here or not. But that thing on the bottom, this here's a beast too. I don't have too many. I don't think I have any oldies in here. Maybe that one on the top. And maybe that one there. Possibly this one here. But not too many oldies in this batch. Maybe that one on the bottom there. But you know, sometimes they're slot processors and not ceramic. What else? Anything else? Anything else? So, I guess that's it. But before I go, I want to thank everybody for popping into Gil Skills live stream last night to help out Roger, CU Scrapping. I'm sure most of you know by now what he's dealing with. But a lot of help was given last night, so I mean, Roger definitely appreciates it. You know, I appreciate it. Everybody that was on the panel last night. You know, scrapping community is a pretty close-knit community. You know, try to take care of each other when we can, and if we can. So, I'm going to put the GoFundMe link in the description of this video again. I checked it this morning. It went up a few more dollars. So, I mean, if it's, you know, $1, $2, whatever, every little bit helps. He don't have far to go to his goal. So hopefully, you know, maybe next week or something, he can get his truck back and get back working, because that's his, you know, main means of income is his scrap. And when they took his truck, it had a load of scrap in it, and you know, whatever else he had in it. So we can't have him losing his vehicle, that's for sure. So once again, I greatly appreciate you guys and your support. And hopefully we can get him there. And good morning, Sophie. I almost forgot to say good morning. So, appreciate you guys. Stay safe. If you're going to be out partying St. Patrick's Day, be safe. Don't do anything stupid. Get locked up, thrown in jail. I won't miss you, but, you know, it's a little costly to do stupid things nowadays. So, enjoy your holiday, enjoy your Friday, enjoy your weekend. I will talk to you all later.